November 68 Whiskey Echo is a 2013 Beechcraft Baron G58. The perfect balance of horsepower, combined with peace of mind, twin-engine redundancy, and safety. The G58 Baron offers great flexibility for both business and pleasure. You will stand out on the ramp in November 68 Whiskey Echo. It's overall Matterhorn white with dark blue and toreador red accent stripes, giving it the look of speed, even while sitting still. In the air, the G58 lives up to its reputation of a fast and stable flight platform. With two Continental IO-550-C 300 horsepower engines, along with the 194-gallon fuel tanks, November 68 Whiskey Echo has the flexibility for speed and range. The McCauley 3-blade props and the cabin's extra-thick windows and soundproofing throughout gives this plane the comfort of low cabin noise in all phases of flight. Up front, the pilot has access to the Garmin G1000 with the primary flight display incorporating the flight instruments along with synthetic vision. On the right side, the multifunction display incorporates the moving map along with the digital engine display. Included in the G1000 are a host of capabilities, including Garmin Safe Taxi and flight charts, TAWS-B terrain awareness and warning system, dual GPS with Wasp Capabilities, transponder with ADS-B compliance, Garmin GTS 820 active traffic system, dual-engine airframe computers, WX data link for XM weather, 4-color weather radar along with WX500 storm scope, just to list a few. In addition, the automation of the GFC 700 3-axis Autopilot makes extended flights and single-pilot flight less arduous. November 68 Whiskey Echo is complete with comforts you would expect from a larger aircraft. The 4-seat rear cabin club seating fits your need for legroom, large baggage, or cargo, with 137 cubic feet. Complete with lumbar support and headrests, the Millennium interior incorporates tanned leather seats, along with an optional executive writing table with accented side panels of burl wood. To keep the cabin environment comfortable, November 68 Whiskey Echo comes with a factory-installed digital climate control, regulating heating or cooling as needed. The exterior is accented by the sharp paint job, along with the Flight into Known icing or Fiki package, and the LSI exterior LED lighting package. It will be hard to find a finer example of the G58 Baron than November 68 Whiskey Echo. Call or email HPA for more details on your future plane.